If you mix Coca-Cola with fabric softener, you will thank me forever. This combination has a surprising effect, and only a few people know all its possibilities. Once you know this, you will never want to stop using it, because it is very powerful and can be prepared with ingredients that you already have at home. To start, you will need a container. Add a cup of Coca-Cola. Also add a cup of fabric softener. You can use the brand you prefer. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda. Then mix carefully so that the ingredients are integrated. This incredible mixture is called the stain remover, due to its ability to leave any surface of the bathroom surprisingly clean, with a pleasant aroma that lasts. I would love to know from which country or city you are watching our videos, to be able to send you a special greeting in the next one. Today I want to send a special greeting to Santa Castro from the United States. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Continuing with this trick, like the one I have here, with the help of a funnel, pour the mixture carefully to avoid waste. If you have come this far and you are watching today's recipe, it means that you find this information useful, so share it with more people so that it is helpful. Now let's go to the bathroom, and as you can see, the toilet is quite dirty. Spray a good amount of the mixture on the toilet and let it rest for about 5 minutes to make it work. You can use the cleaning artifact you like. In my case, I'm using a brush to rub the toilet, and the mixture can begin to remove the stains from the toilet. Unlike chemical products, which are usually toxic and harmful, this mixture eliminates stains without causing negative effects to health. As you can see, the stain and dirt disappear while you clean it. Your bathroom will be completely clean, shiny, and with a pleasant smell that will last up to 48 hours. You can also use this same mixture to clean the hand washer. Notice how little by little all the stains of dirt are being removed. Look how beautiful and clean the bathroom is. This is a powerful mixture that you can prepare today at home. If you have come this far, it means that you liked it, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you are the first to receive our advice. And if you found this video useful, make it reach someone who could help you.